The notion of cross-border marketing and really building these marketplaces has been around for many, many years. The problem today is, if a bank is going to partner with a card issuer, with a grocery store, with an energy company, the last question will be, great use cases, but that's my data, and I'm not going to give up my data. Why should I? When in grad school, a student's view on data may be, okay, professor, give me the data, and I will then do my assignment. Unfortunately, that's the mindset of the majority of the analytics teams that we work with. Give me the data. When I have the data, I will go and do my work. There are lots of new capabilities now coming to the market that allow the data to be shared in an encrypted state, in tokenized states, and still, you will be able to use these models to predict, to cluster, and to associate. And that's what we have done so far at Flybits. We have empowered banks to go partner with energy companies, telecom operators, grocery stores, and the banking channel becomes that unified gateway for the end user, bringing all of these services together. But if you look under the hood, no one is giving up their data. The edge of the cloud will compute the correlation and association between the datasets, but the identifiable data will go back to the network. Let me share some examples with you. We have this ability to turn any type of data stream into a context plugin. The context plugins can come from sensors, location, bandwidth, battery power. It can come from a transaction stream. But we have also empowered the banks to go and partner with startups, with fintechs, with travel companies. And in exactly the same way, these entities will expose their data to our platform, and their marketing units or the digital channel units of the bank can now combine these use cases together. Let's share an example with you. One of the deployments we have, the bank has a partnership with a real estate tool. We can recognize if a person is starting to look for a property. We can immediately go get their credit score and other data sets that the bank has about that customer. And, at the right time, the bank can engage with their customer and then give them a pre-approved mortgage offer, at the right time, on the right channel. We understand based on propensity models whether we should deliver this at night or in the morning. Should we deliver this when the person is traveling? And we do all of that while the privacy of the customer is protected. That's a very important factor when you're building personalization strategies like this. Another example that I can share with you. You can tie all of your PFM data to our engine. Most banks already have a PFM strategy. You can tie it back to location, you can tie it back to travel patterns, and then you can address the needs of your customers. Let's say, when they're at an airport. MasterCard is one of our key investors and partners, and we're doing some very interesting work with them on a global basis to help their global business travelers.